Roar! Ha! Oh, wait, the chair came off. Roar! No! Save me! You didn't see anything. So, welcome back to Techno V, the #1 channel for your tech tutorials, news, and reviews. My name is Viraj Das, and you didn't see me play with any toys. But seriously, in this tutorial, we will be doing something very short and sweet. We'll be doing a little JavaScript action, and this one line of JavaScript will allow us to get an infinite score in the Chrome Dino game. So, what will you need? Now, this is a super tough question, totally. It's not like you'll need a computer or Google Chrome, specifically Google Chrome, because we totally won't need any of that. We'll just pull it out of thin air. No, but in all seriousness, we'll need a computer, and not just any web browser will work, only Google Chrome. And did you know the coolest part about this project is you don't even need to be connected to Wi-Fi? That's right, because the Google Chrome Dino game is actually supposed to be a no internet game, where when your computer isn't connected to internet, just pop open Chrome, new tab, and you start playing. It's more of a time pass game. So, go get all those materials, and I'll meet you at the finish line. Are you ready? I can't hear you. I still can't hear you. Sorry, that just might be the fact that I can't hear through the screen. Anyways, let's get started. Alright everybody, here we are at my computer. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Google Chrome. I know, right? Total surprise. No one would ever see that coming. So, did you know that you can access the Chrome Dino game even while you're on internet? It's amazing. So, in where you're going to type the URLs, you are going to search Chrome : / Dino. I know, right? Longest command ever. Enter, and this is the Chrome Dino game. So if you've never heard of the Chrome Dino game, it is basically just an endless runner game where you, wait for it, jump over the cactuses, and later on there'll be pteranodons where you have to duck under or jump over. It just depends. And as you can see in the top right, here, see? In the top right, there is my high score of 1,463, and my score for that round was 180 something. I started a new round. But as you can tell, I'm not that good of a player. I'll admit it myself. But there is something I can do to kind of work my way around that. And that's where JavaScript comes in. Okay, so if you didn't know about this, you can right-click on any website and click Inspect. Now, if you're on Mac, it's Control-click, but on Windows, right-click, right? Inspect. Now here you can access the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript of all websites ever. Right? Here, I can find the title. This Chrome Dino. Maybe change it to Viraj's Wonderful Dino Google Chrome Dino level. Right? And it changed up there. So, and then we can name it whatever. But this is not what I wanted to show you. No, this is just HTML coding. We're going to do JavaScript. So if you go up here to console, you can see that after this angular bracket, you can then type whatever you want. But of course, you can't just type anything. It has to be code. More specifically, JavaScript. So we're going to type runner, which is calling from this specific game. So runner dot instance underscore, and then we're going to dot game over. Okay, so basically what we've done so far is we've called a pre-written function that's been written by Google, and now we're going to change it. We're going to turn it into an empty function by doing equals, then open parentheses, close parentheses, and then we're going to do equals greater than sign, and then open curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Now, when you hit enter, magic is going to happen. Watch. It may not look like anything right now, of course, but if we just close this and run the game again, what happened? What happened? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. If we reload the page, then we'll just type that again. We'll do runner dot instance dot game over equals parentheses equal sign greater than sign, then curly brackets, go. Right. Now we're gonna get ta-da! Okay, so basically, I don't know what happened back there. Anything can happen when you're coding. But basically what we've done is the game over function by Google, we've made it empty so that when game over is called, it doesn't do anything. Basically, there's no game over. Even if you do hit the cactuses, you can't die. See? So if we just leave this forever, then we might get a super duper high score. Of course, infinity is not a number, but we might be able to break the world record. Of course, this won't entirely count. Wow. That project was way easier and way shorter than I had ever imagined. Yeah, Veront. That's what I've been saying the whole time. Yeah, I know, T-Rex. I know. But anyways, I hope this tutorial has given you a new perspective on technology of the future. But anyways, don't forget to smash that like button, obliterate the subscribe button, and if you could, click the notifications icon or the bell icon. If you have any questions, don't forget to put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.